Okay, I'm here with Nfile. Is that right?
Yeah.
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 And we at the Yill farm, and he's doing coffee along the road. And I just had a cup of it, and it is awesome. So, Yill, you tell me the coffee is grown here at on this farm.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the style of beans?
Arabic.
Arabic. Okay, yeah. It tastes awesome. I'll show you his setup now. Thanks, Nfile. The
Yeah.
coffee was great.
Cheers, welcome, boss.
Really awesome. Okay, here's Yill's setup. It's coffee machine, grinder, making great coffee. And how's that for a view? Awesome. If you're on the road between Nata and Kasane, pop into Yill's Coffee and get Nfile to make you a cup of coffee.